Welcome. Today we are going to learn about the HTML anchor tag, which is represented by the letter A, like this. A, you see, this is anchor tag. It's called anchor tag. So this is an opening and closing tag of an anchor tag. The HTML anchor tag is used to create links on a web page, which allows you to link to other pages on the web or even to specific location on the same page. It is an essential part of any website, and it's one of the things that every web developer needs to know. So let's get started. This anchor tag wouldn't function alone. It needs an attribute, and this attribute is the href attribute. This href attribute stands for hypertext reference, and it is used to specify the target of the link. In other words, it is used to tell the browser where to go when the user clicks on the link. The value of the href attribute is usually the URL of the page you want to link, like the value that you are going to put between these quotes. That's what I'm talking about. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is a fancy way of saying web address. So a URL is like the address of a web page. For example, we have the www.wikipedia.org. URL is just a fancy way of saying web address. Those web addresses you always copy up and down is called a URL. So let's put our URL here. Let's say I want to go to Google. So I'm going to say HTTPS, then column, then the // then Google, then you say www.google.com. Then this place is where you fill in your content. This is the content that people click on. This one is just to tell where you are going to. But the caption you want to give it should be between the opening tag and the closing tag of an anchor tag. So let's say the caption says, visit our website on Google. Let's write that here. Visit our website on Google. So where we want to go is Google, not that we have a website that we are. If you have a website, you can put the URL of your website inside this place and say visit our website here. But because we don't have one more website we want to put inside there, so we want to use Google to demonstrate how this anchor tag function. So now let's go to our browser. You can see here it is written visit our website in a link form. So let's tap on it. Remember what we put in our URL is Google link, Google URL. So let's Google web address. So let's use this. So it directed us to Google. So whatever you put there, let me change this to Facebook instead. Let's use Facebook instead of Google, Facebook, and see where. Remember, I did not change the contents. So it said visit our website on Google. Meanwhile, I've changed it to Facebook. It's going to direct me to Facebook. You see that? Can you see this? So that is how it works. So bye. See you in the next class.